Just the best she could, but there are times the best is no time good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always years of borrow me you leave behind. When it's falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I'm lying in order to be fine. You just right. I have to do it, 'cause I take anything to help you get your way. Then to reach the sound from my head, and the simple that is more than I could stand. Huwag mo nalagay echo. And I heard to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that's real was really how I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's easy way. Okay. She couldn't get angry and make it feels like a guilty child, but I realized the love from my side. I wanted her to sing and not treat me like a tree. I wanted her to say that there's someday I'm calling on my knees so I'll survive again. But she had the lady till the end. Oh, one lady, I told her she'd break down, but you smiled at me and you never made a sound. And I guess she's understood in no way, only silence so everything she could not say. When it falls apart, well, there's no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Di ba baklang lang? Ay, nilo mo sa mga bagong pasok and welcome here at RPTA! Kaya maraming salamat for coming here at RPTA. And by the way, pakilala ka na?
I'm Marina, diba?
And my name is Rana Diba again.
Oy! Mali!
And by the way, my name is
Ano?
Super Tekla. Hindi, joke lang. And by the way, my name is Alexander. Okay, happy.
Okay.
Ayan, welcome po sa ating mga hurado. Hello po.
Opo. Ang tawag ng tanghalian dyan.
Gaga?
Charot.
Hindi yung tawag ng Panginoon niya, kaya galingan mong alit ka.
Oh.
Okay lang yun. Magaling naman ako magdala. Eh, ikaw bawal. Ayan, hello. Hello po sa inyo. Ayan, magandang po kayo. Kasi sa kasama ko.
What? Wapo ka ba? Charot.
Oo, kumpara sa tatay mo.
Ha? Ay.
Sige. Awitan mo naman sila.
Sige,
Right na.
Yung anong kanta?
Anong kanta? Sana mo yung pangsimbahan. Sige. Ewan ko lang. Hindi ka pasukin dito, tapos lumuhod yung mga papasok.
Sige, go po.
Ha? Ayusin mo yan, ha? Ayun ang mga hurados natin.
Oo. Ay,
The song brought to you by Katisya ng Mercury Drugs. Dahil sa Mercury Drugs, sa kakasigurado ang droga ay laging bago.
ayos ah. Okay,
Reach 175. Ang galing!
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba? Hello po.
Two old friends living, wearing all the faces, talk about the places they never been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere on the floor. All
Stop.
they need to know, someday they will again. They had need for when they said, maybe this time he'll be loved. Maybe now they care me more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end.
Okay, ah.
It's the same old feeling, not the pain. It's the one thing I way back when, but they're too young to know when love's real. Somehow some things never change, and even time has a good place. It's burning even brighter than before. It doesn't change, anything. Maybe this time he'll be loved. Maybe now they care more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smile way back then. Feel like this, feel way back when. Why the sun get there, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time he'll be loved. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't.
Palakpakan for Raina for the song Baby This and Something by Sarah Duterte.
Uy!
Okay, ah.
Okay na. Isa pa ha?
Sige, tapos magpa-awit na tayo.
No, one more. Something from Katrina Velarde.
Ayan, hello, ayan, what? Wait lang, Raina, post mo nga muna.
Ito!
Post mo muna saglit.
Sige, sige.
Ayan, meron po ba tayong pangalang Mary Grace dito sa loob ng Bar 58? May naghahanap po sa atin sa labas. Sige, play mo na. Thank you.
Ang init ng iyong hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig, ngunit biglang nagmamahal. Di naman kapag kapiling na kita, nananamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Maangat ka na ako'y langit. Nilalaro mo lang mga pusong naiinlay. Sayang mo ay nagayuman. Pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap ang lason mo.
Wish ko lang.
Di mo dahirain kay init ng liyan. Akala ko nadadala kapag ikaw ay bumabalik. Ngayon ang isa laging nilalangin na wala namang lahat. Ito ang parati, ngunit biglang nagbago. Hindi na madama
Subukan ko.
pagkapiling na kita. Nananamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na ang akala ko'y langit. Nilalaro mo lang mga pusong naiinlay. Sayang mo ay nagayuman. Pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap ang mali. Ang lason mo.
Wag mo gagawin yung kami. Basta likod lang.
Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na ang akala ko ay langit. Nilalaro mo lang mga pusong naiinlay. Sayang mo ay nagayuman. Pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap ang mali. Ang lason mo mali.
Ay, congratulations na.
Lason mo
Okay lang.
Thank you po.
Ay, sa mga pumalakpak po, salamat. Sa mga hindi, okay.
Ano?
Ayan na, dahil parami na tayo ng parami.
Oo.
Come here at Barbitin! Ay, pakilala ka ulit.
Ay, may na diba?
My name is Ryan Diva again.
Hoy! Lumigay ka na. Naging bading yan.
Mag-party-party na
Go!
Ha?
Wala yung echo.
Nawala daw yung echo niya. Palagi ng echo. Thank you. Ay, hello po sa ating limang girls.
Yes?
Tapos, 3 girls and 2 boys. Do everything hanggang nasigahan. Every to the me, money to the game. Do you everything, just a different things. Like a house of cards, one from the bigger things. Do you everything, already in the deal. 6 feet under street, what's it for all the things? Do you everything, just just for me. Don't see the spark in you, you just got it tonight, alive.
And then it's time to song the night. Like a flood of July, just spread me out the
original in the different days. If you only give what the future holds, after her today comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why you're not a chosen clothes. Silver knowing one that we will rather go. Like a lightning ball, you love to what we go, and we can time is the love. Come is the night, the light.
This whole night, like a perfect delight. Baby, I'm afraid, never let it run to work. Make it come but you shouldn't have stopped. Baby, I'm afraid, never let it run to work. Make it come but the need runs out. Boom, boom, boom.
Everybody let boom, boom, boom. Ewan ko sino ba sabi sumalong ka. My name is Juan Anderson.
Let's go. And after this, we'll go
And he's Juan
to a
Anderson.
jumpers. Yes.
Ayan, pagkatapos na tumawag na ulit tayo ng jumpers.
Yes.
Hingal ako.
Hinga yun. I go.
Oo.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Ito maganda to. Party to. And let's go! Let's go to party people! 12:58! Hey! 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 How's the day? What's going on? Can I say? Okay, let's go! What's going on? Okay, ang galing kay Janet, no? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. What's going on? The divine peace of honesty, trying to get out of every little hole for a destination. I realize quickly when I know I should that we're not made on a different form of man. For whatever that means.
So find something else in my life.
You better just be getting love.
So wake up in the morning, I'll sit outside.
my head at night. I'm feeling a little bit down. So I'm getting the morning as a part-time. And I take a deep breath and I get me high and high. Think of my love, what's going on? Say, then I say, sumagot sa sexo! Iko mo! Pangit na sexo, matanda na. Ang Pilipinas, mabumuka. May pinisipyuan isang yung bagay ginalo. And I say, Iyan sa lupo sa labang palakpakan, Bar 58! Ayan, parang konti tao. Tara na, baba na tayo.
Oh, bakit?
Walang tao eh.
Wala ka. Ay, ayun. Dami, oh. Ah,
Tingnan ako sa iyo.
hiningal din ako sa'yo.
Wala naman ako sinabi sumayaw siya. Tumalong-talong ka pa.
Hindi naman pwedeng hindi. Hindi naman sa'yo yung
Huwag ka
tuktok.
kasi tatalong kasi baka mamaya masira to. Ikaw pa naman pinakamabigat sa amin.
Hoy! Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa'yo.
Oh, mas ano baga mahiya ka, tinan mo yung katawan ko sa katawan mo.
Dali mo dito yung isang performer. Naman
Sino?
Gibato.
Okay, drop name ha. Nakalive? Okay lang.
Di
Gusto
yan.
mo pa gusto mo sabihin ko?
No. Mabait yun.
Kaya,
Ha? Lagot ka. Kilala ko yun.
kaya ko naman mag-drop name.
Ah, sige nga. Kaya mo.
Ano?
Kaya tinanggap ko na yung mic eh. Ikaw talaga. Isa pa, ano?
Hindi, wala na, hindi na nakakata. Kailangan pa awitin na natin.
Hindi, totoo. Tama.
Nung pumapalakpak ka, sira ulo ka. Ay, dito sa table muna natin, dito sa limang ating guest ngayong gabi.
Oo.
Ay, hello po! Ay, mukhang busy sila. May prayer meeting po kayo.
Ay,
Saray lang. Hindi, biro. Si Madam, grabe naman makatawa. Ano po yung bangko nyo? May dildo? Okay Hindi. Ay, baka may pambando po kayo. Sino pang umaawit sa inyo?
oo.
Pero ang fairness, ang gaganda nila dito, puro may bakod yung ngipin nila.
Ay, talaga?
Oo. Ayan ang tinatawag na mayaman.
Mayaman.
Kasi pag mayaman ka, ipapapakod mo talaga yung ngipin mo. Oo. Anong hindi sir? Di naman ako gasol sa amin. Hindi sir.
Hindi siya. Ano?
Diesel daw, diesel. Ay, maganda lang pero bobo ah. Ayan, baka kayo bang may gusto na lang kayo marinig na song?
Oo.
Request na lang, sige.
Sige, ano yun?
Touch by touch. Gusto mo yan? Touch.
Punch.
By touch.
Nasubukan mo na ba yun? Natouch ka na ba?
Uy, sorry hindi ako ganun. Sige, kantahin natin yung touch by touch. Para kay Madam.
Yes.
Madam, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Mm-mm.
Sige, tanongin natin yung mga pangalan nila. Para susunod, pag nakita ulit natin, kilala na natin sila.
Totoo.
Ay, ano pangalan ni Madam? Madam Maria. Si Madam Rivera. Ha?
Mayan na ba?
Hindi, Maria din siya.
That one.
Defensor sa dance at champion.
Miriam yun.
William din. Sorry. Sorry. Ay, ano pangalan ni Madam? Si Madam Jem, si Madam Marian, si Madam. Okay ah.
Uy.
Anong song? Hindi, anong name? Anong name mo? Ah, Marian din. Marian. Defensorsa niya. Okay.
Miriam na yun.
Hala, i-welcome naman natin na dito siya. Alabas na siya ng kulungan. Ay, please welcome, Alice ko.
Hindi si Alice ko yan.
Ay, hindi ba si Alice ko to? sorry. Hindi, biro lang po yung si Madam Jam. Si Mosi. Rico. Okay ah.
Rico?
Tapos, wag, hindi na kita tatanungin, alam mo sasagot mo si Tanggol.
Sama ni...
Hindi kasi Tanggol.
Asawa
May
niya.
pangalan siya.
Ano?
Tanggal. Sino pa? Ay! Ano yan? At ay ko yung ay. Di ba tatlo yan? Si Tanggol, si Tanggal. Ay, di, apat yan eh.
Yung isa.
Si Sanggol, si Tanggol, si Tanggal. Tapos yung isa, gusto niyo po malaman?
Oo.
Si Tinggil daw. Okay ah.
Tsaka yung lagi
Alisin mo, dami mo nalalaman. Sige na nga, katay na nga natin yung ano. Okay ah. Huwag kang kukuha ng joke sa iba ah. Sige pa, kantayin natin pa. Alam mo ba to? Sige. In his power requested song. Okay ah. Mabait ka dyan.
Kaya mo na!
Feel that something's right when you take it from my side. It's a love you give to me. Makes my heart beat. Look at my fly away, but our feelings make me see. I see the fire in your eyes. It's my heart beat. So we listen to it night and day. You're my all-time lover. So we listen to it in a way. Like a lover, much time for. You're my all-time lover. Ski to ski. Oh my God, my over. Let my heart ang pulong naman. It may be a turtle love. Love the game, love the day, love the day. When the love is feeling bright, it's the way the seeds are light. There's a fire in your heart, night and day. So we listen to it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do we listen to it and day? Night is over, touch, bright touch. You're my all-time lover. Ski to ski, Ramadan like over. Matayin, parang kailangan ko ng ano, ng gasolina. Okay. Moving listen to it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, listen to it in a way. Like the color of the song, something by touch by touch. Madam, ano pa, madam? Ano bang gusto niyo? Bago kami lumipat sa kabilang table.
Yes.
Batang Quiapo. Gusto mo yun, sir? Bigyan nyo nga ng, ng earphone si boss. Ako kukonek. Patagtugin natin. Para siya na nakakarinig.
Batang Quiapo.
Baklang Quiapo. Okay, ah. Alam. Okay. Adam na nakakatawa.
Ay! Kumawagin!
Ay, sorry. Ano pa, madam? Bukod sa magaling kumanta yung kasama ko, pahirapan.
Grabe.
Oo. Ano pa gusto?
Ano yung kanta?
Baka tanong ka naman, kala mo, pakayaman mo naman. Sabi nyo, ay, siya siya.
Ha? Malay mo naman.
Ganyan. Sa bagay, hindi nyo magsalita mga may bakod ang ngipin.
Oo.
Danger, Napistingyawan na di ay.
Hoy! Dangerous?
Oo, alam mo ba yun?
Oo, kanta na.
Alam mo naman pala, i-search mo.
Kanta ng Roxette.
Hindi. Ibang kumanta nun. Celine Dion.
Hindi yun, iba yun.
Alam mo? Alam mo spell?
Oo.
D. A.
N.
Sunod? Anong B?
G. Bini.
Back to me. Okay,
Ikaw.
Bakla, nabingi pa. Sorry na. O sige na, huwag ka na tumawa. Inaantay na ni madam mo.
Madam.
Madam, mamaya na po kayo mag-scatter. Pakinig. It is Robert Present Song! Okay!
Oh, it's a little bit save the world. You got the ball, you take control. You move into my heart, into my soul. Get out my way, get out my side. I want you to get you realize. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, I don't know your name. Oh, you know she's a lady dangerous. She's got my legs to make sense.
maglalasing niya, mamatanda. Tinulak.
Yes, madam.
Madam, nagustuhan niyo po? Buti kayo nagustuhan niyo, ako hindi.
Bakit?
Pa kasi.
Kumanta ka ba?
Hindi. Nag-request si si Direk.
Oh, di-request. Tatahin mo yan, ha? Pag hindi daw kinanta, last set na.
Mukhang ikaw ang maglalasit kasi may nalabag ka kanina sa rules. Direk, gusto mo sabihin ko, nang sinabi siya kanina, baka may, mukhang ikaw ang matatanggal. Susunod ka kilatas. Romy. Oo. Yari ka kay Direk. Sino kaya maglalasit? Sige, bigyan ka na ng pamalakas sa isa.